Hey love bugs, welcome back to the channel. I just did this fire curl. Today I'm working with Alipearl. They sent over a beautiful 24-inch body wave lace wig. It's nice, it's full, it's long. It was a vibe and I made it even more better. I went for a side part. I cut a little layer here and you're gonna see I'm gonna do some beautiful pin curls to achieve this look. We did a little plucking and tweezing. We just did a little bit of everything in this video. So if you're interested in seeing how we achieve this look, of course you can keep on watching. Okay, my babies, so today we're working with Alipearl. They sent over this beautiful 24-inch body wave lace wig. I believe it's an HD lace by the looks of it, and it is a 13 by 4 HD lace wig. So you already know it's lit, and I love the fact that it's full, because sometimes like when you do curls, oh I guess that's a giveaway, we are doing curls today, but sometimes when you do curls, if the hair is like sparse, it just doesn't give. Let's start off with the install. We're gonna cut off the excess lace and we're gonna bond her down, and then from there we're gonna stamp out a side part, and then from there we'll do the curls. So those are the 3 steps. I'll check in from here and there, but let's go ahead and jump right into it.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home, if you let me put it down. Baby, I see you hanging with your friends, chilling day and night for days on end. Now you can't come see me tonight. Say you ain't got the time. I'm the last one you prioritize. Peeping your IG pictures on my phone. I won't spend another night at home. Okay, I'ma just be on my way. You'll see I'm not the one you take for granted, babe. I know that life can be busy, love, but you make time for the ones you love. It's only right, it's what I deserve. Love, tell me what you done for me, done for me, done for me, done for me lately. Did your mind go on vacation, leaving your affection for me at home? Tell me what you.
Last you guys seen, my camera died, so instead of getting up to go change my battery, I just went ahead off camera and started the process of straightening the hair. Now, as I mentioned, this one is body wave texture, so I didn't really get it silk pressed. I didn't use any product on top of that, so you'll see a little bit of wave pattern in there. But as you guys see, the hair is very full, and then it did have a little bit of frizz to it because I wasn't storing it properly. So I felt like if I just went in directly with curls, I definitely would have gotten a little bit of frizz and probably not the curl pattern, if you will, that I wanted. Also off camera, I did go in and play with the hairline a little bit more. Not sure if you can notice exactly what I did, but I just took some hair along the hairline and I cut it ever so short, and it kind of gives, you know, the illusion of natural baby hair. Now this lace does not match my complexion, but you'll see how I'll melt it in just a moment and go ahead and make all this look amazing. But in the meantime, I feel like I can just go ahead and start the process of curling.
It ain't no thing to do my thing, it's what I did the best. Yes. I copped that crib and bought 2 chains and then I hid the rest. And it's okay to do your thing, but just don't do the most. I put my friends in that old Benz and took that to the coast. It ain't no thing to do my thing, it's what I do the best. I fill my mattress, pay my taxes, then I blew the rest. And it's okay to do your thing, but just don't do the least. I quit my boss and cooked that sauce and fed that to the streets. Slide in the bed like a wet flow, already fried from the get-go. Alligators look like gecko, everything I do they echo. Big facts, my bank on big man, my drip too wet, that spit can. Yo bitch swap me like Q-tips, hold that shit there like dip can. No rehearse, need no reverb, hold your lip, don't say 3 words. Quick trip to get that. bet your bitch go for me. I don't really need that chick though, please come get your shorty.
Hey, listen, I wanna listen, I need a tag, yeah. I want a bag, yeah. Okay. Unless you talking numbers, we ain't speaking about the right things. Switch up on my nigga for a figure, that's not like me. Baddie with a body in the lobby, she like nice things. She used to know me then, she like me now, that's funny timing. Eyes been on that prize, I copped that crib for that timepiece.
Went ahead and curled the hair. At this point, I got a little tired, so it's hanging. Probably some pieces that needs to be touched up, but I'm over it. But I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup off camera while the curls still dry, or not dry, but set. Yeah, cool down and set. This side here, I can still feel the heat on my neck. Kind of burns a little bit. I'm gonna fix this one and put this one back up. Nonetheless, let's go ahead and do makeup off camera. And then we'll come back and take it down and kind of like, you know, play with the hairline. And you're gonna see how this is gonna look really good and melted when it's all pretty much done.
Yeah, I don't wanna slow down, I don't wanna slow down, I don't wanna slow down till I burn out. I just wanna live fast, I don't wanna look back and say I could've done more than I did now. Sometimes it can be hard, yeah, it can be hard, yeah, it can be hard when you grow up. People fill you with doubt, you start thinking about what you're gonna do now. But we only got one chance and got one life to live. And it's do or die, gotta make it count, so lose your worries. Let your problems go on until my whole body burns out. I ain't never gonna.
Okay, love bugs, look how beautiful the curls came out. Now, I wasn't going for tight curls, especially because this hair is so long. I knew that, you know, when the hair is long and full, Shirley Temple curls is just not the go. Now, again, this one came from Alipearl, and this is the packaging, or the, you know, cute little dust bag that the wig was inside of. Inside, you do get your pink edge brush, an elastic band, a nice pair of thick lashes, wig cap, a band, so this can go around the hairline to help you conceal it, and it does have their logo on it. And last but not least, I think this is a scarf. Oh yeah, it's like a scarf. So what I probably would do is I would just fold it like in half, like this, and I would just use it around the hairline, or even like taking it back here and then going under for like that headband. You know how we do the Louis Vuitton bandeau, a vibe like that. But go ahead and check the description box on your way out. There you'll find a link to this wig, list of everything we use, and so forth and so on. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys are enjoying your weekend. I'm Ashley for tuning in for the first time. Don't forget to subscribe, share this video with your friends. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.